Everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen. The weather is spring, but it's still very cool outside, and it's a perfect time to make some cookies. I'm going to make your traditional S cookies that we so love with breakfast, with coffee in the afternoon. It's always nice to just have a big cookie jar filled with these delicious cookies. You never know when somebody's gonna stop by and you're gonna make a nice pot of espresso. So let's get started. Simple ingredients, things you have home. I know it, it's just really basic, but delicious results. So I have 4 cups of flour. I have a stick and a half of butter that's been melted, 4 eggs, a cup of sugar, the zest of a lemon, a pinch of salt. I have here a little vanilla. If you don't have these little Pan Degli Angeli in your area, order them online. You could just use a teaspoon of vanilla. And also this is going to be my baking powder. Again, if you cannot use the little Pan Degli Angeli bag, just use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I have 1 egg here for egg wash. Now let's get started. Okay, with a whisk, I like to incorporate some air in my flour. So I'm going to also add the pinch of salt, the little vanillina. If you're not using the powder vanilla, then you just add it to your wet ingredients. And the baking powder. I'm going to stir it and set it on the side till I'm ready to use it. In the large bowl, I have the 4 eggs, the sugar, and the melted butter. With a handheld mixer, so just go ahead and let's combine all the ingredients. Okay, it's all well mixed. You don't want to overbeat it. Adding the lemon zest now, because if I add it while I'm mixing, it gets caught in the whisk and it goes to waste. So I've learned my lesson, and I don't want you to make the same mistake, so I add the lemon zest now. So just stir it. Now it's time to also add the flour. Okay, there it goes. I'm gonna add it all in. And just start incorporating. You see, it's picking up all the flour. Now I'm gonna move it over to the work surface so I can create the dough. Okay, now let's work it and create a nice smooth dough. Work it by sprinkling a little dough on the counter, okay? But it really doesn't need a whole lot of kneading, just until it's well combined. Look how soft. I want you to see. Come closer. This is the way it needs to be. A soft, workable dough. Here it goes. Now I just sprinkled some flour in here too. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on top. Okay? Cover it and let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes till the butter solidifies, so it'll be easier to roll the cookies out. Now what you want to do is get your oven on 350 and prepare your cookie sheets with parchment paper. Ready to roll them. Okay. I'm gonna cut a small piece and let's start rolling the cookies. We're going to be making logs, and of course give them the traditional S-shaped form. So 6 inches little logs, give it a twist here and a twist there, and you create the S shape. Now you gently pick it up and move it over to your cookie sheet like this. Give it enough space because they will grow. The recipe made for 26 cookies. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is just gently flatten them down a little bit, not a lot, because that gives it that authentic S cookie shape. So just flatten it out just ever so gently on top like that. And then the other thing you're going to do is just with the egg wash, brush the cookie right on top. Gently just brush. There it goes like this. And here's the next one. In the oven at 350. Cooked 18 minutes. Look how beautiful it. Come closer. I want to show you. See, you want this golden color underneath it, and also the top. They're perfect. Let's plate them and we'll do a taste test. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe. Hit the bell button. A lot of videos coming up. Now I'm going to quickly open this. Ecco qua, guardate un po'. Tell me this is not delicious. Wonderful. Wonderful anytime. Come on over. We're gonna have, you know who you are. Come on over. We'll put the coffee on. The coffee's always on in this house. Oh, the lemon cookie. Please make it. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci. Alla prossima. Ciao ciao.